Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Kanutaloa IP. Today we're going to see how to configure an analog trunk directly to a Yeastar PBX. Right now, this PBX is installed on a server. We're going to configure the line using an HT813 adapter. Go to Trunk Extension, Trunk, click the Add button, enter the adapter's name, set the trunk type to account type, and fill in the required fields. We'll use this information later to register the trunk. Click Save and Apply to generate the trunk, then wait for it to finish. Next, we'll go to the adapter, wait for it to load. Here we have the HT813, and the trunk is connected to the FXO port. Go to Basic Settings, wait for the interface to load, scroll down the tab. Right now it's set to DHCP, but it's recommended that we define a static IP by filling in the circle and entering the network information where the adapter will be located. It must have internet access to connect to the adapter if it's a cloud PBX. I'll leave it as dynamic for now. We'll set reply to ICMP so we can ping it, select yes. In the user ID field, we'll add this data, user ID 6700. Here, we'll add the server's IP address. Since it's on the same network, we'll enter the IP directly, then click Apply. If it's a cloud PBX, we'd add the domain. We'll wait for it to load. We now go to FXO port. Here, we enter the PBX's IP address again, set the user ID to 6700, enter the authentication, and then the password. We scroll down, set IP registration to yes, scroll down, go to FXO termination, set enable current disconnect to no, set enable PSTN disconnect to yes, set number of rings to 2 so the call connects a little faster, set wait for dial tone to no, set stage method to 1, and click apply. Next, go to status and check if the trunk is active. It should appear in green with an IP address. Similarly, the status tab should show registered. Here it already shows registered. Now we just need to register an extension and configure the incoming and outgoing rules. In a later video, we'll see how to configure those incoming and outgoing rules to make and receive calls. Let's proceed with the test. We'll make an incoming call. We dial the trunk number from the cell phone. The call comes through. We answer. Two-way audio is established. Testing. 1, 2, 3. We hang up. We'll make an outgoing call. The call connects. The cell phone receives it. We answer. We activate the speakerphone. We have two-way audio. Testing. We hang up. With this test, we conclude the video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.